There are eggs waiting to hatch. They should be spread out equally between the 3 nests. How many eggs are in each nest? Write a division sentence to represent the problem. So there are eggs waiting to hatch. It never told us how many eggs. So that's where we get to decide. I'm going to say 15. There are 15 eggs waiting to hatch. We want them spread equally between the 3 nests. That way there's not one nest that's too crowded and then another nest over here that's just empty. So we want the 15 eggs spread equally between the 3 nests so that everyone has the same amount of space. How would we do that? We could represent it with counters, couldn't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Okay, so we have 15 eggs. We have 15 eggs and we want them spread equally. The way that we spread these equally is we go one at a time. We put 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest. Then we do it again. 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest. We do it again. 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest. We still have more. Do it again. 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest. We still have more. Let's do it one more time. 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest, 1 in this nest. We have no more. We've used them all. To make sure that they're spread equally, let's count how many we have in each nest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they're spread equally because I have 5 in each nest. So the way that I would write this as my division problem, you guys were doing really well with this yesterday. The way I would write it is I start with my total. I start with my big number. 15 is how many eggs I had. Then I divide it into groups. I divided it into 3 nests. The answer is how many are in each nest. Since it's equal, we can say each of the 3 nests has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eggs. So we can say 15 divided by 3 equals 5, and we would be correct.